Hi guys, hi everyone. All right, glad to hear that. Okay, shall we just wait for 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes? I will start the session. You can see today it's just relaxing, just a relax and just a relaxed topic. We will talk about how to become a successful trader. Okay, I think a lot of you guys want to be that, right? Mm, Can I check with you how long have you guys been trading? Oh, okay, just 3 months. Okay, so you are still new. Okay, so today you're gonna learn something. Again, if okay, some of you didn't say, oh, raise your hand. Okay, how long have you been trading? Kirsten say 3 months. Okay, for myself, I've been trading more than 5 years now, but for the first 1 to 2 years, I'm still not wasn't a profitable trader yet. I was kind of like roller coaster, like up and down, and I done all those like new trader made like revenge trading. Um, not disciplined. I have a FOMO. I trade like a gambler, everything. Okay, I've been through that before. Yeah, let me see. Where is my nice to see you, Nina. You here again? Nice to see you. Welcome. Okay. Since like morning and afternoon. Okay, so shall we just begin our session again, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Vantage webinars. Okay, so today, as you can see on the screen, we're going to talk about how to become a successful trader. Okay, and just before we start the webinar, guys, disclaimer first. Okay, so everything in this video is purely educational in nature. Nothing in this video should be considered as an investment recommendation or any kind of advices. So if you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you're trading. If you're asking for my like not I don't want to say the signal, those like key level or my opinion where to buy and sell. Okay, just be cautious. Don't trust me 100% because I could be wrong. Because my trading, okay, I hit the stop loss. My win rate is not 100%. Okay, if you are hurt from somewhere that okay, my strategy give you the 100% win rate, I think that is not I think that is not true unless the person did not never ever put a stop loss at all. For the new trader or you just like trade maybe less than a year or 2 years, you should put the stop loss and treat your stop loss is like your friend because it can help you to protect your capital. Okay, even though today you hit the stop loss, at least you still have the money, and then tomorrow you can come back and trade and earn whatever you have lost like yesterday, for example. Okay, and risk warning over here, trading forex and safety carries significant risk and it may not suitable for all investors. So, yep. About myself, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader at Average Fortune Group. Okay, currently I trade for the prop firm. Okay, I trade for my own account and I also trade I also trade futures. Okay. So this is our agenda for today. So understand the financial market, continuous learning, developing a trading plan, starting from small and scaling up, and mentorship and community. So all this agenda for today, I will show you why you should just start with the small before you can start with the big one. Okay, the just yesterday, okay, I just shared with you guys yesterday for my community, the person just just started trading less than 3 months. I think it's about 1 month. He has lost already like 7K US dollars. Okay. The reason he's sharing in my community because he just follow other people's signal. So up like whenever you follow signal, are you to buy to sell? You don't even know what is the reason why you sell at this price or why you buy at this price. Okay, then you don't know where to cut the stop loss because the person just say, okay, this is your entry, you just put the stop loss maybe 50 pip or 100 pip or maybe like 200 pip for stop loss whatsoever. And then whenever you follow the like the signal, You don't know what is the account size that the person who give you, and then you also don't know what is the lot size. So don't blindly follow like signal when you don't even know how to look at the overall market structure, the picture of what's going on. Because whenever we heard about forex, okay, we know that the forex is very very easy for a lot of us to earn, okay. But before you're going to become a successful trader, okay, you need to torture yourself first, okay, because you need to force yourself to learn, you need to force yourself to be disciplined, you need to become the new you. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about that. Okay, so understanding financial market. So first, you choose first. Do you want to trade stock, forex, commodity, or crypto? You pick one. Okay, to me, I personally don't trade crypto, I trade forex and gold. Basically gold, I trade for gold future and gold for forex, and maybe touch on a bit of the EURUSD, GBPUSD for the currency pair. That's it. Okay, I don't trade indices. Okay, I don't trade crypto. My friend, they don't trade gold, they only trade indices. So you just pick one. Why? The reason is that you shouldn't trade like so many pair, because you cannot focus, you cannot study their behavior. For example, like I can say that I trade gold like 80%, because whenever I look at the gold chart, mostly or most of the time I know that, okay, gold certain like respect to this key level, or maybe this indicator is suitable for this XAUSD. Like you to trade the instrument, it's like your partner, your friend, your girlfriend, so you know their behavior. You shouldn't trade like so many pair out there, then you cannot focus. You should stay focused, and then you pick one to two. That is the reason why I pick EURUSD or GBP and gold, because 80 to 90% they are moved the same direction, and then they are negative correlation with the dollar, meaning that if the dollar is rising, EURUSD, GBP and gold tend to be falling. Okay, so you can just maybe go and learn about correlation. Okay, and market participant, we know that we are retail trader, they are institution and market maker. Maybe institution, those are big boy in the market, we know that we consider ourselves like we are retail trader. So we try to trade like the SMC or smart money. So that's why they have like smart money concept coming up, right? I think I shared that with you guys before. um Price move driver, so you need to know supply, demand, support and resistance, economic indicator, and sentiment is could just maybe you can use either like MACD or to look like momentum. You can do that. Indicator, you can just indicator out there, and you shouldn't ignore fundamental. So whenever you want to trade, the first thing first, before you look at the chart, you should just open the maybe Forex Factory or investing.com. You just pick one and look, is there any high impact news coming, like today? Is this high impact news that gonna impact the pair or instrument that you going to trade? If there is, then you shouldn't trade or you shouldn't hold a position. You should just maybe wait until the new release and then you trade. Okay. Key concept, you should know how to look at liquidity, spread also is very important, which is one, you should choose the broker that can give you really tight spread, um and like they can, okay, and then you should choose the broker that can kind of like, what I want to say, you should use a broker that if you trade during news. Okay, some of the broker, okay, you whenever the news come up about to like open already release, okay, you shouldn't even like close or open your position, it just hang, meaning the broker to me is not reliable to me. Okay, so you should just try yourself. I try so many broker out there. Whenever the new release, high impact new release, I want to enter, I cannot enter. I want to close my position, I cannot close my position. One broker I don't want to mention. Okay, it's make my account gone, because for example I short, okay, I sell gold. For example, I want to close or cut lot, it didn't allow me to click like close position. End up I lose my account, I lose money. Okay, so it's very important as well. Volume, okay. If you want to trade, you should pick the section. Like you want to pick a Asia section, London section, or a New York section. Okay, there's a lot of volume, there are a lot of liquidity there as well. So you just pick according to your time zone. To me, I prefer can say that I active during the London section. The New York section, because my time zone is about 8 to 9 p.m. Usually I will rest. I don't want to trade. So basically I will trade maybe 30% in the Asia section if I see a good setup, and maybe 70 or 80% is going to be in London section. 5 to 10% that are going to trade during the New York. If I'm not tired, if I see a good setup, if I'm still awake, I will trade. Okay. Understanding my financial market, technical analysis is so important. Okay, you will I don't know whether you have heard about like technical important than mindset, okay, or like trading psychology. To me, technical maybe take up about 30 to 40%. But for you to become a successful trader, I think mindset is the key. The way you think, the way how you gonna like handle if you hit the stop loss or when you hit the profit, how you gonna manage yourself. To me, 30 to 40 about technical analysis, 70% or 80% is all about your mindset. Okay. And then chart pattern, you should know what chart pattern is. This chart pattern is going to give you the is this a reversal pattern, or if I'm see this chart pattern, what I'm gonna do. Okay, you go and learn chart pattern indicator. You should trade with the indicator. You can just pick like 1 to 2 indicator that is good enough. You shouldn't have like so many indicator in your chart. You just either pick one or pick two. To me, I pick only like 2 indicator. That's it, which is the RSI. Okay, maybe sometime I may use MACD to look for like the momentum. So it's up to you, okay? Because eyesight to me is work quite well with gold, but maybe eyesight indicator it may not work well with indices. So that's why you need to like test on yourself, okay? Price action is 100% the key that gonna give you whether, hey guy, I'm going to fall from this level, or I'm going to bounce from the, or I'm going to fly high. Price action, it can give you 100%. Okay, a lot of my friend or the trader, they trade on the like the period only in the chart. They don't have indicator. They only read the candle, which is the price action. Okay, I can give you. You go and learn price action. It can give you 99% accurate. See, you're gonna learn this. Okay, fundamental analysis. So don't ignore that. Economic data, community finance, news event, which is PMI, non-farm payroll for those like you trade gold or anything that pay with US dollar. Don't ignore that. Sentiment analysis. Okay, market psychology, trader positioning. Choose your port or combine with multiple methods. Okay, I think for this one, I'm gonna share with you guys like I learned so many strategy out there, yield wave, harmonic, demand supply, ICT, SMC. I learned all of them. Okay, I can tell you that I can just combine this and that and this, and then make it become my own trading system. Why? Because maybe support resistance last time, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 4 years ago, support resistance is may work. It's work. But maybe right now or today market condition has changed. So maybe that strategy is may not give you 100% win rate, or maybe it's not really kind of work out anymore. And then you can just maybe learn another strategy, and then you can combine it and then make it become your own trading system. Okay. Continuous learning. Okay, so like if you trade gold, or maybe if you're still new, like some of you guys just like trade for the 3 months, last time for the past, let's just say last year or 2 years ago, okay, gold move in the M1 or M5, which is 5 minutes candle, or M 15-minute candle, gold moves about 3 to 30 pip within 5 minute candle or maybe 15-minute candle. But right now, within 5 minutes candle, gold moves about 100 pip. So that's why right now my strategy or how I trade, okay, is totally different from like 2 years ago. Or like my lot size also has changed, because last time I can just put one lot size for multiple order, because they just move like a bit 20 to 30 pip within like 5 minute candle if I want to like scalping. But right now they are moving more than 100 pip within 5 minute candle, which is yesterday. You're gonna look at the chart. Yesterday, go within 1 minute candle during the Asia section, which is I think Powell he give the speak at the university somewhere. Okay, within 1 minute candle, gold moves about more than 100 pip. Just 1 minute candle. Okay, that's why you need to you need to adapt and change. Then you need to learn. Okay, they said that how you gonna learn? Either you love reading, you love listening, you can listen to those podcasts, this and that, okay? Or you follow the market's news, stay up to date on economic events, central bank policy, what's going on. If you like to trade GBP, JPY, and then you should know, okay, um, Bank of Japan, they're going to announce the interest rate. Then you shouldn't trade anything that pair with JPY. Okay, stay away from that first, because sometimes Bank of Japan, they like to intervene the market. Like they really, the will like spike up and down, so it might hit your both side stop loss. So try not to trade first. Okay, study successful trader. So learn from their strategy and mistake. Okay. Everybody make a mistake. Nobody in this world never ever make mistake. Whatever the mistake you have made, okay, you just take that for your lesson. Okay, try not to repeat it again. You should just write it down. Okay, it will take time for you to become the new you. Okay, or it will take time for me to be who I am today. I share with you guys. So just write it down, have a self talk. Okay, let's say yesterday or last week, you make a mistake. You burn your account, you did not follow your strategy, you didn't discipline whatsoever. It's already over. Okay, reset your mindset and then think, okay, you're gonna be a better. Try not to make a mistake. Okay, and learn from that strategy. You go and learn more, whatever, like how the successful trader they think, how they do, how they trade, what strategy you go and learn from them. Okay. Practice with an email account. Okay, I agree with you. Should practice with the demo account by how you're gonna place buy and sell, how you're gonna use a platform interface like MT4, MT5. Um like you whenever you get familiar with their platform, then you should start with very very small account, which is maybe $50 or $100, and then you do forward testing. Why I don't want you to trade on a demo account by like do back testing or do forward testing on the strategy that you have learned, because whenever you trade with the demo versus your live account, your emotion will be different, your feeling will be different. You trade in demo, whenever it hit the take profit, hit stop loss, you don't have emotion involved. It's totally different. But if you trade with a small account, with your live account, with maybe $100, you okay, and then you just trade go. Okay, let's say today yesterday you learn a smart money concept, and then today you want to start to test it, because if this SMC is gonna work with me, and then you can just go for 0.01. Whenever it hit the stop and take profit, you're gonna have the emotion involved. Okay, so don't trade, don't waste your time on trade on the demo account, just for you to which button to place buy and sell, where to set the stop loss, how to set the pending order, this and that. Okay, whenever you get familiar already, you go and open your live account, with $100 and then you trade gold 0.01 or you trade currency 0.01 because you want to test on the maybe ICT and SMC for currency like EUSD or GBP or other, you put 0.01 when price move, you may just let me you might just risk maybe $10 or maybe like $5 only because gold is too volatile, they move very quick, but currency they move very slow. It will take time for currency pair to hit stop loss and take profit. You should do that. Okay, don't trade on the demo account. Track and review your trader. Keep a detailed trading journal. You should keep your trading journal. And then you, like for example, today you buy gold. Then you say, okay, you buy gold at what level? TP and SL where? And the reason why you enter buy or sell, you should have the reason why you put buy and sell. You write it down. Okay. At the end of the week, and then you go and review. Okay. Is it you follow your setup or you should do your trading journal? At the end of the day, one thing I do every day, you should have a sell talk. Then you should say thank you to yourself. Whatever you have done today is good. What is already good enough? Just say thank you to yourself. Okay. I know that the first time you talk to yourself, like self talk in the mirror, you feel awkward, right? You feel like shy whatsoever. Just go in the toilet or your shower room and then you talk to yourself. You keep doing that, right? At the end of the day, or if you keep doing that at least 1 month, you'll feel like, oh, you will feel better. Because I have a lot of my community, they trade forex. Their partner don't know, maybe their family is not support because they thought that forex is just gambling. Okay, so they are alone. That's why they come and join the community and then like talk it out or land it out what it happened. Some of them or just don't know how to trade, or they trade already, they have a trade set up but they cannot wait. It's always cannot wait, have a FOMO. Okay, so go and have a self talk. Okay, you'll feel better, and at the end of the day, talk to yourself, say thank you to yourself. Okay, and one thing also, they say thank you to the market. Whatever I have earned, $1, $2, I appreciate the market give me the money. Why? Come back to your mindset. You just imagine, in order for us, like if let's say if I don't know about the forex market, in order for me to earn additional $10, $1, or maybe $15, I need to do the overtime. I need to go out. I need to go out to find the extra money. Or if I have a full time, if I'm working full time, in order for me to earn additional, I need to work overtime, right? And then right now we know about forex. We know that okay, the money on the sky, but how to get there? Then you need to learn, correct? And they just say like we know about forex. You sit at home, okay, you open your computer. If you have the knowledge, within your one click or maybe 5 to 10 minutes, you earn already $50 or $100. If you're comparing like $50, $100, you feel like not enough. If you think about like other country or maybe other people who earn less than what you have, just click 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I mean, so whatever the market give you, you should just embrace it, say appreciate, and then take it. Okay, $50, $100, $50, $100 per day. To me, okay, for small account, that's good enough. Then you can accumulate. Okay, whenever you get you have a more confidence, you have your account is bigger, you trust on your setup, and then your lot size could be bigger, and then you can grow your account. But you should just start with small account first. Okay. Adapt to market changes. Market involve your skill much too, right? Every time market always changing, then you should just upgrade yourself. Okay, don't always just stick to one strategy. Market condition always changing. Okay. They were developing a trading plan. Okay, what is it? Define your goal. So realistic profit target and time frame. To me, you should have your profit target per day. It's just the target doesn't mean like I must die. I must hit, let's just say $100. Let's say you aim for $100 per day. Okay. Then today the market is not on your favor because market is just being sideways, it's just ranging. And then maybe in the morning you already earn $50 and then you have to say, oh no, I haven't hit my $50. I haven't hit my target. I need another $50. And then you force yourself to trade when you see that the market is just ranging. There is no entry for you, but you force yourself, and up you will lose your $50, which is the money you have just earned, and then you lose your capital. So the goal is just for you to hit, but doesn't mean like if today market is not in your favor, $20 or $30 or $50, you just satisfied and then you just close. Tomorrow you can come back again. Okay. And then second, you should choose your trading style. You are yourself or you're a day trader, you're a swing trader, or you're position trader, or you're scalper. Last time, okay, when I was new, I'm a scalper because I scalping gold more than 5 hours per day because that time I knew I was like, wow, I scalping 1K, 2K, 3K per day, even 5K. It's so easy for me to earn. Last time I was still new, I don't know. I scalping until I feel like that is not what I'm looking for. There is this time that I sit back and ask myself, that is not what I'm looking for when I want to become a trader. I want to have like free time. I want to like trade everywhere I want. Like, but when I scalping, I just look at my computer or even my phone and I keep looking and I keep scalping in and out, in and out. Okay. It's getting me very tiring. After that, I kind of okay, I shift from a scalper to a day trade. Okay, so now today I take a trade. Maximum is 3 trade. If one or two trade I certified of my profit, I stop. Then I do other thing else because you have to tell yourself, forex is not everything. It's not everything in this world. Like it's not everything. You still have friends. You still have partner, or maybe you still have boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, in your family. But last time when I just know about forex, I just I just don't care. Okay, I just don't care. I just scalping, make money, don't even know what's going on last time. Okay, so you choose first. Okay, what's your trading style? Risk management rule, maximum loss per trade, 1 to 2% of the capital. Okay, this is the idea for you. But if you're already trading and you have more experience than 2 to 3 years and you know how to control, sometimes I can risk more than 3 to 4%. It depends. So it depends. But the idea is just 1 to 2% of the capital. That is a percentage for the new trader goal. Okay. Entry and exit criteria, clear signal for when to buy and sell. I already explained that, right? You should, every time you want to click the button buy or sell, ask yourself first, if I buy now, how much you're gonna lose, how much you're willing to lose, not how much you want to win. Every time you click, there's the money that okay, I'm gonna lose for sure. And then ask yourself, what is the reason I want to buy here, I want to sell it. If you can answer, you go ahead. If you want to click, then you ask yourself, why I want to buy sell. Then you know that, oh, because I feel like based on my feeling. If you cannot answer, meaning you just trade based on your feeling, not based on the setup. Okay, ask yourself first. Position sizing, how much you invest per trade. Okay, so let's say if you have $100 account, you want to trade gold, you shouldn't open more than 0.05, or the maximum you shouldn't more than 0.1 lot size if your account is only like $100. No, you shouldn't open more than 0.03 with $100 account. Okay, because if you put 0.1 lot size, go move 100 pip, your account gone. Okay, so you shouldn't open more than 0.03. You could put like 0.01 to trade, to order, or 0.021 order with $100 account. Okay, for gold. Trading schedule, okay, when and how often you will trade. Ask yourself. Like I just share with you guys, I'm a day trade. I will trade 1 to 2 trade per day. Okay, some of the trader they are swing. So maybe 1 week they trade 1 to 2 day or 1 to 3 day because they hold a position longer. But to me, I consider myself day trade. Okay, so you just oh, and then you see when you want to trade which section, Asian section, London section, or New York section. You just pick 1 or 2. Okay, how often you want to trade? You ask yourself. Okay, starting small and scaling up. Like I just mentioned, you should start with small capital. Don't start with the big one. Okay, when you don't have the knowledge, when you don't confident in your setup yet, don't try to all in. Why? Because whenever you're new, I know that you're new, you have money, okay, but you don't have a knowledge. The money is, I can tell you 100% you're gonna lose to the market. Start with a small account. Learn the strategy. If you feel confident, and then you can just grow your account. Because the new one, okay, always put the money, like maybe you have like 5K, $5,000, you just jump in, put $5,000 because you see other people they earn 1,000 or 2,000 per day. If I say, oh, Piggy say just start with small account. So if I just put $100, but I want to get $1,000. So if that did not make sense, I have money, I have my money, I'm a millionaire, for example. I put in 5K. Okay, 5K I put in, I want 1,000. I think I can do it. But I can tell you, guarantee you that you're gonna lose 5K to the market if you are still new, but you don't have the knowledge. Okay. So start with the small capital. Okay, and start with what you can afford to lose, not how much you want to win. Okay, every time you put in the money with the broker, that is the money you think that you're gonna lose. Okay, don't put the money and say, okay, I put 1,000, I want to earn 10K. Today I want to earn 5K. You can think that, but you're gonna kind of like pressurize yourself. You will feel really stressful if the money is, it's not like it's not the cooling money. You mean like maybe this money you want to pay for your son, or maybe this money you want to pay for the house, the car, whatsoever. Because whenever you trade, when you put in, then you might always say, okay, I want to win, I want to win, I want to get back 5K because I want this money I cannot lose. This money I need to pay this, pay that. At the end, you're gonna lose everything. You shouldn't. Okay, you should just trade when you think you are ready. Okay, when you think, okay, if I lose this money, it's not gonna affect my life, then you trade. Okay, master on one strategy first, become proficient before diversifying. Yeah, you just master one strategy. After the one strategy, and then you want to learn more, you go learn another strategy. Okay, but it will take time. Okay, if you just new, okay, you don't know what's going on, I don't know which strategy, I don't know that strategy, I kind of lost, then come and join the webinar. Okay, because you can ask me, I can guide you, okay, what you should do, what you shouldn't do. Okay, prove consistency, show profitable result over the 3 to 6 months. Okay, for the new trader, okay, if you want to like scale up, if you want to like go from the small to the big account, you should have should have a profit, at least make a profit at least 3 to 6 months. After that, from let's just say $100 account, and then you can jump to $500 account, 1,000 to 2,000 account. Okay, but of course that strategy that you trade should give you at least 3 to 6 months profit at the end of the month, not every day. Okay, because to me, I'm look at the result either by weekly or by monthly, not by daily. Because sometimes today, maybe last week or maybe yesterday I hit a stop loss, but maybe today I suddenly win, and then I recover my loss from yesterday. Okay, so you just review weekly or monthly, not daily. Okay. Gradual capital increase, scale up only after consistent success. Okay, maintain discipline. Don't let larger position change your approach. Don't go for the like bigger lot size. Okay, I tell you last time, okay, not anymore right now. Okay, last time I trade gold with 10 lot. I did that before, but right now I cannot just place one entry without 10 lot. I cannot, but maybe I like buy, for example, okay, if I'm willing to lose, if I'm willing to trade with 10 lot right now, okay, I will spread to one lot with 10 order, or 0.5 with 20 order. I can do that because add up still like 10 lot. But nowadays I don't like click with 10 lot. No, not anymore, because the market is changing. So I don't want to risk like my money. Okay, let's say, yeah, put 10 lot, and of course if the price is gone on my favor, I'm gonna be like, I could have earned a lot. But I always think that, what if I put 10 lot and then price is go against me, how much I'm gonna lose? Let's say if I put 10 lot with gold move just 30 pip, okay, against my favor, I would have lost how much? 3K already. If the gold move 1,000 or 100 pip, I would have lost 10K. Okay, so I don't think about, wow, I'm gonna win 10K. No, I think I'm gonna lose 10K. Can I hold that? I mean, can I accept that if I lost 10K? No. So that's why my lifestyle will be much more smaller nowadays. Okay. You are yourself first. You don't ask yourself like, okay, I put 10 lot, if price go 100 pip, I'm gonna earn 1,000. I'm so happy. So I just go for one lot. No, you ask yourself, if you put one lot, go move 100 pip, you lose 1,000. Are you okay? If you're okay, you go ahead. You ask yourself. If you're not okay, then you reduce your lot size. Okay. Starting small and scaling up. Common pitfall to avoid: over trading, quality over quantity. Okay, choose the best setup, the best one. Okay, and then you just trade 1 to 2. That is not enough. Okay, like yesterday, I'm gonna bring you guys to look at the goal later. Okay, that I was waiting for the setup at the demand for gold in the daily time frame. It went down during the New York section, and then after that it came down and then rising about 400 pip. Good enough. Okay, that is good enough for 1 to 2 trade. Over leveraging, using too much borrow capital. For the new trader, okay, you should just go for, I think nowadays the broker give 1 to 500 leverage, right? 500 leverage 1 to 1. But some broker, they give 1 to 1,000, which I'm currently using 1 to 1,000. Okay, some broker give 1 to 1, 1 to 500. I have someone I know, they are using leverage only 1 to 20. 1 to 20 only, or 1 to 100. Okay, if you are trade a prop firm, okay, prop firm give you 1 to 100, 1 to 100 leverage. Okay, formal trading, don't chase trade out of fear of missing out. Formal, and don't chase the market. Let's say you want to buy here and then you are doing something else. For example, I always encounter that. For example, like I was waiting to buy here, for example, and then I'm giving out the webinar. Then I did not put a pending order. I don't like to put a pending order, because to me, I like to wait for confirmation. Okay, I'm giving out the webinar. Price falling, I want to buy. 5 minutes later, I look again, price is rising already. So I did not chase. I did not, oh, I want to buy, I keep buying. No, I just let it go. Then I wait for the next setup. Okay, because every time there's an opportunity for you to find the entry again if you have the knowledge. Okay. Oh, why cannot? Okay. Patient success take time and consistency. Be patient. Oh, impatient. No, impatient. No, it's wrong. Must be patient, not impatient. Okay. Just be patient. Okay. Because some of the trader, even the new trader, they cannot wait. Okay, they cannot wait. Every time they just like have the EG finger, they just always want to find the entry, always want to place buy and sell, buy and sell. Just be patient. Okay, just wait. If today you did not get the entry, never mind, you did not earn, but your money still there. Okay, but if you always have the urge, is it like to trade, it's always want to get the entry, I think that is not a good not a good thing to do. Try not. Okay, just wait for your right setup. Mentorship and community support, I think you choose. Okay, I know that a lot of trader, a new trader, they are trading alone at home. Okay, whenever you trade alone, okay, sometimes you hit a stop loss, you might want to, like, you want someone to like listen to your mistake. But some of the trader, like I just mentioned, the family is not support, maybe partner also not supported you what you are doing. Some of them, they don't understand what you are doing, you are just gambling. Okay, whenever you hit stop loss, you lost money, you can talk to them, they will say, I told you already not going to trade. Why you go and trade? It's just gambling. You see, you have been trading for 3 months, 6 months, or even 1 year. I haven't see you have earned. You just keep losing the money. You can ask me for the money, but so blah 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 blah, right? Then you just go and join community, talk to them, because there are a lot of people who are the same situation. You just go and talk to them. You join the like maybe mentorship. You may have the coach to teach you what you should do, what you shouldn't, why you keep repeating a mistake, you shouldn't do this, do that. Okay, just go enjoy. Okay, and then the find experience mentor, learn from those who succeeded. Join trading community, share the idea and experiences. You can share idea with them. Okay, my setup like this, I want to buy this, buy at this level because of this setup, this. Okay, just share with them and share the experiences as well. Accountability partner, keep each other disciplined and focused. Attend webinar and workshop, continue your education, which is like, please come and join the Vantage webinar and learn together. You can learn from me, or I can learn from you, or you can ask me. If I have answer, I will get back to you. Okay. Be wary of scam. Avoid get rich quick scheme and unrealistic promises. Give back, share your knowledge as you grow, which is right now I'm sharing with you guys. And again, Forex is for the long term, it's not for the short term. If you think that you come in Forex, you want to get rich in 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 1 month, 1 year. No, I want you to treat the Forex is like for the long term. Okay. You ask yourself how much you want per month. Okay, like your additional income. If you ask me to meet 10K per month, that is good enough for me. Okay, that is my additional income. Is just want to trade, meaning that I just trade, which is I aim for $500 per day, time 20 day, then that will be 10K. That is good enough for me. Okay, it's good enough for me with additional 10K. But of course, this is just $500. Myself, I can do that. You also can do that as well if you have the knowledge. Right now, maybe for the news one, you should just aim for how much? $30 to $50 per day. If your account is 500 to 1K, okay, $50 per day, I tell you that is achievable. Is achievable. You can do that. Let's just say additional $50, right, per day. You multiply by 20 equal to 1,000 already. That's your additional income, right? And you don't need to like work so hard. You already get 1,000 additional dollars, $1,000 additional money, right? So you think that way, then you see you do like that. Okay, for 3 months after you can just, okay, from $50, I'm gonna go for $100. $100 you multiple by 20 day, it's already 2K. Yeah, right. So $500 achievable. You can do that. Okay, but you need to have a knowledge, you need to have the discipline, you need to change the way you think, reset your mindset. Okay. Key takeaway today. Okay, so one, they say that trading is a skill that requires dedication and continuous learning. A solid trading plan and risk management are non-negotiable. Start small, prove consistency, then scale up. learn from others, but develop your own trading style. Patient, discipline, separate successful trader from the rest. So patience and discipline is the key. Okay, this is for today. Any question, guys? How to become a successful trader? You have any question? Or you want to share with me? You guys have anything to share with me? No, but or you want to ask me anything about trading, my journey or whatsoever, guys? No. It will take time. I can do it. It will take time. Okay. It will take time for you to become the new you, to become a successful trader. To me, it required me a lot. Okay, I have changed a lot. I read. I don't like reading. I love listening. So I listen to those like podcasts. I listen to those like a self-help book. Okay, and then I just go and listen to those like successful people, or how the rich people think, how they do. Okay, and then yeah, a lot of things, like to make it become who I am today. Okay, when I joined the trading. Okay, I can tell you that last time I'm really an impatient person. Okay, so whenever I hit a stop loss, I told you that I always did the revenge trading. I put a stop loss, and after that I saw the price is about to hit my stop loss. I move my stop loss, or I cancel my stop loss. Okay, for example, like I saw that, okay, if floating loss, let's just say $300, I just move because I think that, okay, maybe price from that level gonna bounce. It's not, I keep moving my stop loss, or I cancel it. And then when I see floating loss from $300, it become $1,000. As a human, you dare not to cut loss because the amount is so big. Okay, after that, you just let's go. After that, account gone. After the account gone, you sit down, you realize then you will talk to yourself, you think I should just cut loss when I saw the it floating loss 300. I should. But whenever in the forex, you shouldn't have the word like I should do this, I should do that. No, have you shouldn't think the way. You just say I have to cut loss at maybe $300. Before I trade, I place enter here. If price come, I see my floating loss, $300. That's my daily drawdown. I cut loss. Tomorrow I close. Tomorrow I come back again. You need to follow yourself. You need to set yourself what is your daily drawdown. That's what is the prop trader need to do. Okay. For me to become the prop trader, okay, I need to follow the prop firm rules, which is they have like how many percent daily drawdown per day that I need to maintain, and what is the maximum loss I can make, okay, and how many percent that I need to make a profit for them for me to earn uh or to get the funding from the prop firm. Okay, so that it will take a lot of effort. Okay, it's not like, you just know for it, you sit down, you want to earn 10K. That is not so easy like that. Okay, but trust me, you're gonna be there. You're gonna become a successful trader one day. Okay, don't give up. Just stay focused. Okay, and learn from people, either from me or from other people, or just attend a webinar. Okay, right now let's just be look at goal together. I think right now they are doing a sideway. Any question you want to ask me, guys? Okay, how to manage emotion while trading in live account? Manage your emotion. One thing, okay, you try with small account first. Let's say you start with $100. Before you trade, first thing first, you need to know how to identify the key level. The first thing first, your emotion, which is whenever let's just say I identify, for example, here. which is yesterday I was waiting at these zones. This was the zone that I'm waiting for. This is my OB demand zone. Price went down. Let's say price went in and then you trade. If you did not overtrade, if your account is $100 and then you only place 0.01, if gold is moving 100 pip, how much you lose? $10. You lose $10, you don't feel anything, right? Because that your stop loss at $100, 100 pip, which is $100. No, $10. You don't feel anything because your account is $100. But if you are overtrade and then price is rising, let's say you put 0.1 lot, go move 30 pip or maybe 50 pip. You already 14 loss 50% of your account. You already 14 loss $50. Now you're gonna have the emotion that it's going to hit my stop loss. It's already I saw the 14 loss $50 already. If you had a kind of feeling, meaning that you overtrade, okay, meaning you overtrade, then you know that you overtrade, what the root cause, then you need to reduce your lot size. Okay. When you enter at 0.1 lot, you already know that you're overtrade, but your 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 thinking still are you just go for it, right? So that's why I say you ask yourself, have a self-talk. Okay. If you have a proper setup, price coming to the zone, you buy. Then you ask yourself, okay, the reason I buy, why? This is the reason why I buy here. One, there is a demand zone in time frame, D1. Second, okay, there is a Fibonacci, which is between 38.2 to 50%. I'm gonna buy at this level. When price coming, go to the lower time frame, I see the rejection. Oh, I'm so happy I see the rejection plus price action, so I buy. If I don't hold trade, if I did not overtrade, overlord side, I can hold. I put my stop loss, depend. If you see here, you can just put here, you can put here. Depend on your accounts, depend on your lot size. If you had a bigger lot size, okay, then you should really have a tight stop loss. It come in his stop loss, then that's it. You shouldn't keep like dragging. Okay, manage your motion, which is one, you are yourself first. What the reason you're going to enter buy or sell right now? Why? What the reason? Is it your over lot size or not? Is your lot? It is your lot size is relevant to your account size? If yes, then go. If not, then you just the root cause is that you need to reduce. Okay, that's why. Then a lot of people say, can you do meditation? If you think you can do meditation, you can. Okay, a lot of the traders they also do a meditation as well, but I did not. Sometimes I have a self-talk. Maybe sometimes I just inside of my like working room, I sit and I look. Sometimes I feel like I want to trade, then I keep asking myself, if I want to buy here, is it the right setup I want to buy? Even I say no. Sometimes I talk to myself like people with my thought like are you crazy? You're talking to yourself. No, because I want to like reassure that okay, you want to buy or sell now, is it a good setup? Sometimes I ask myself like, hey Peggy, if I want to like, for example, I want to sell now, right now I want to sell. Why I want to sell? Based on emotion. Then I will ask myself, are you want to buy, you want to sell here? What if price hit the stop line last time and your account is gone? Are you happy with that? You want to be a new you, or you want to be like the new you, or you want to be like the same person? That was like, oh true. No, I don't want, I can wait. Now there's no setup, I can wait. It's like that, okay? It's like that. Or you just think like I always have that in mind. You just have always like, if what you have been doing, I always say that if what have you been doing is good, why you always get the same result? You get what I mean? Meaning that what you have been doing that is not correct. That's why you always get the same result. Meaning that you want to be a successful trader, you want to have constantly make a profit, but you always do the same thing. Then how you gonna expect to get the new results, right? Then meaning that then you come back to yourself, is the root cause is because of you, because of yourself, then you need to change the new you. Okay, so you just say like, okay, what you have been doing for the past 3 years, 4 years, even 5 years, and you haven't become a profitable trader, meaning that, like I just say, meaning that what you have been doing is not the right thing. Then you need to change, right? Because if what you have been doing is correct, then why you still the same result? You still like, win or lose, win or lose. You haven't go anywhere. Maybe other people already make $1 million, but why you still deposit $1 million in the broker? Maybe you deposit more than you withdraw, meaning there's something wrong, correct? Then you need to change slowly. Okay, trust me slowly, but you're gonna be there. You're gonna be someone new you, which is this is the December. So maybe in the year of 2026, you just start with the small thing. I read the book, they will say that if you want to change your habit, okay, you just start with the small thing first. Small thing. Just for example, maybe you say that, okay, maybe since the last year 2024, you said, oh, in year 2025, I want to exercise every day, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But until end of the December, you haven't done that, right? So next year you start with small thing. Maybe, for example, wake up. Maybe last time you wake up 7 o'clock. Now a day, maybe you say that, okay, I'm gonna wake up at 6 o'clock, do some exercise 10 minutes, or maybe 6 o'clock I open the chat, the computer, look at the chat, do a setup. Okay, this is my setup. I wait, then you close and do the other thing else. Just start with the small thing. You start with the small thing. Every day you do that. If you can do that more than 1 month, you're gonna see something change within you. Yeah, that is the goal for your 2026. Or you just tune in and then join the webinars. Okay. Okay. We have 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna do the key level for you guys today. Okay. So right now, I think one thing I think they're gonna doing the big sideways for gold right now. They're doing the collection. Either they're gonna do the ABC here. Okay. Because before they make a B here, I thought they're gonna do like either one is a big sideways like that. Okay, within the daily time frame, it's gonna be a big sideways like that. Either this gonna be B, oh, this is gonna be the big B, and this is gonna be C. But right now I see that because price had rejected from the OB or resistance here with price action, and then yesterday closing with bearish candle. So I will say, okay, this is gonna be B, and then I'm using the channel. Okay, so this is gonna be the bearish channel. I'm gonna put the red one. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna use Fibonacci retracement. So meaning that, but every day the setup, I'm gonna like review. Okay, because sometimes need to like look what is the market doing. Okay, this gonna be C could be here 50% and 61.8%. So somewhere around. Sure. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. This is for the bigger picture. Okay, so right now the support level, the key level right now, what is this? I'm gonna remove. Let's just identify first resistance right here at the swing. Okay, somewhere around here. The support level I would pick this is gonna be my first support, which is price came all the way. That was yesterday. Okay, and the second support is right here. Then we're gonna add in the Fibonacci level. That would be 38.2, and how many percent? 61.8. Gonna pick 61.8%. And then I'm going to highlight the zone, meaning that I'm going to wait for price to come in the zones. And then we're going to buy. Like yesterday, price came here, right? So this is going to hold at the support level. Okay, so you wait for price to come in the zone. Then you zoom in to M5 or M15, wait for confirmation, such as price action, diversion, rejection. Okay, then you buy if price come to the zone. Okay, so this is gonna be the setup for today. All right, okay, guys. Okay, any question before I end the webinar? That should be all. All right. TBR. Okay, so I'm gonna see you again on next Monday. So every Monday is all about live training section. So you get a chance, or you can ask me about key level on the instrument that you want to trade. I'm gonna share with you guys on Monday. And Wednesday is also about education session. Okay. All right, guys. That should be all for today. Thank you so much. You're welcome, and good luck. I will see you again next week. Bye bye. Take care, guys.